Views, views, and more views. So many things to say about this amazing home. Picture yourself on top of the world at 15074 Mcvay Avenue, located here in the beautiful East Hills of San Jose. Hi, I'm Sam Spinella, your trusted real estate guy with Spinella Group at Spoke Real Estate. This home is going to blow you away. I cannot wait for you to see it. A very private home with over 2,000 square feet of living space. This incredible open floor plan allows you to see the most spectacular views of the Silicon Valley at every time of the day. You have an oversized garage with more than a 21,000 square foot lot. These astounding floor-to-ceiling windows gives you that modern contemporary feel while overlooking an amazing landscape with sweeping views and incredible sights. In the backyard, you have a private oasis of your own, with a refreshing pool, soothing hot tub, and an entertainment deck for those enjoyable times with friends and family, or just a relaxing break after a long day. Can you see yourself powering through your meetings while you're looking out at this amazing view? Such incredible opportunities here. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this home or any other, please feel free to reach out to me directly. My team and I are always here and happy to help.